As the lead evaluator for Team St. Jude, I was tasked with developing a formative evaluation plan. The purpose of the formative evaluation plan was to determine the overall effectiveness of the hand hygiene and safe vascular access modules. We used two indicators to determine the overall effectiveness of the modules. The first indicator was improved knowledge and performance of healthcare professionals, and the second indicator was improved patient outcomes in pediatric cancer patients. Here you can see the methodology used for the formative evaluation plan. We have a subject matter expert review, which consisted of one physician and one nurse. Next, we have the one-to-one evaluations, which were conducted with 3 visiting MDs from St. Jude Children's Research Hospital's international sites. And finally, we have the small group. In the small group, we had the modules evaluated by 3 physicians at their international sites. We developed 9 evaluation objectives for the modules, such as, is the content of the instructional modules accurate, and to what degree are the learning objectives achieved. We compiled the results from the formative evaluations into a table. Before you see some of the slide change requests from the subject matter experts. One of those changes was to update the terminology on slide 24 of the hand hygiene module. We re-recorded the narration to include the language recommended by Dr. Gonzalez. Here we have some quiz change requests from the one-to-one evaluations. We had low learner scores on the post-test. As a result of this, we added a results slide to the pre-test so that learners would have an idea of how well they did prior to completing the modules. Next, we have the small group change request. With the small group, there was general concerns such as at their particular international site, all instruction is taught in French and everyone speaks Arabic, so the content would need to be translated. That was a quick overview of the formative evaluation plan and the results. Next, we will have lessons learned by